Welcome to another PLCHero troubleshooting tip for saving the day. In this session, you will learn how to configure DCOM to restore DF1 communication back to the factory setting. We're talking about a case where you basically cannot communicate to your PLC. You're dead in the water. You check the drivers, you check the configurations, you check the cabling, and still you can't communicate to the processor. In order to restore the DF1 communication back to your factory setting, you're going to have to use your keypad. Going to your keypad, scroll down to Advanced Setting, click OK, scroll down one more time, and click on DCOM Configuration. Right now, the factory setting is disabled, so we need to enable it. Scroll up, click OK, and it's now set. Click Escape, click DCOM one more time, and now we need to disable it. By disabling it, DF1 is now basically restored. And that's it. Hit Escape and go back to the home menu. Thank you for watching PLCHero troubleshooting tip for saving the day.